Right now, we have a lot to prepare for in the weather as temperatures will take a nosedive tomorrow, so we don't need to waste any time getting prepared, Brittany.
No, yeah, you definitely need all of the winter garb out. You're definitely going to want to cover up any of those exposed pipes outside, and today is the day to do it because this is our last mild day for a while. That coldest air of the season, it arrives tomorrow. You're going to know it when it does. That front will be moving through mid-morning, and temperatures are going to fall all day tomorrow with strong northerly winds gusting to 40 miles an hour. So temperatures next week, mornings are going to be in the 20s, afternoons they're going to struggle to get to 40 degrees, and we're even tracking morning wind chills in the teens starting Monday morning. So right now it's just overcast outside. You might run into some drizzle from time to time today, but we're sitting at 57 degrees. Highs will top out in the mid 60s this afternoon, so you might want to fill up that gas tank as well so you don't have to stand out at the pump over the next couple of days because it's going to be pretty miserable to do so. But on First Alert Futurecast, plan for overcast skies today. As I mentioned, you might need the windshield wipers a time or two with a little bit of drizzle. And then here comes our front tomorrow morning. We could have an isolated shower as that front is moving through, and then we'll have that sunshine in the afternoon. But check out our temperatures. When you wake up, we'll be in the 60s. It's going to feel pretty nice. I mean, if you wake up around 7 to 8 o'clock, it's going to feel pretty nice out there. But we are quickly turning windy out of the northwest with that front really plunging through. So this is how it's going to feel by 4 o'clock, around 39 to 40 degrees in DFW. Those wind chills continue to drop into the teens, even single digits along the Red River as we wake up on Monday morning. And because the winds stay breezy on Monday, the warmest we're likely going to feel is right around that freezing mark. But winds will really strengthen around midday tomorrow. We could see a wind advisory issued for gusts of 40 to 45 miles an hour, and they will subside a little bit as we head into Monday morning, but we'll still have gusts around 25 to 30 miles an hour until they really start to die down heading into Monday evening. So what we are sure of are the cold temperatures and the wind chills in the teens. There are still question marks on the precipitation with our next system later in the week. So here's that next system. That's our first system. That's what's moving in as we head into tomorrow. That's bringing that first round of cold air. But then our next system, that's coming in around Wednesday, Thursday. We're going to see it moving into the southwest, and depending on the track and how fast that system moves, that's really going to determine if we see any impacts here and if we see any precipitation, and if so, what form that precipitation will take place. So right now we are looking at Thursday into Friday. That timing has been narrowed a bit, but we have a couple of scenarios. The first one, it moves a bit faster. That air mass doesn't warm quite as much, so we could get a light snow and rain mix. The second scenario, which is about a 50-50 right now, we could see that system moving slower, so the air mass warms up a bit more. We get a light rain, and that's mainly focused into central Texas. So there are still going to be several changes to that precipitation forecast by the time we get to Thursday and Friday. So you definitely need to stay up to date. And Robbie, please stay warm. That's why we have those First Alert weather days issued.